Now we're going on and put Rstudio on our stick. As we see right now, the stick has R332 on it and my directory of dirty laundry that I've got right here called Squirreled. So let's go to Google and we're going to look for Rstudio. Rstudio. And we'll go to the Rstudio website, clicking on that, and let's see, products somewhere. Wait, hold on, I thought I saw it. Products, Rstudio, and we want to download Rstudio for the desktop. So let's download it. And we want to get the Rstudio that goes right there with Windows 7, because that's what this computer is. If you were on a Mac, you'd get this one. So I'll say, okay, pick that one. And down it comes. So we'll pause it while it's coming down. So now what we want to do is run the installer. So we double click this thing and say yes, and here comes the wizard. Say next, and here again we have to specify to put it on our K drive. Okay, so it's going to put it under K Rstudio. Okay, so go next and install. No shortcuts, right? Install. And there it goes. And now it's done. So we'll click finish. And now again, let's go back and take a look at what we have on our flash drive now. We have R and Rstudio. So moving right along.